I got it in there. I need to take it out again and work on it some more, because look at the top dead center alignments. This one is a little bit over that way. It's enough that I'm going to have to take it apart and fix that. So that's what I'll do next. You can see also these red lines aren't aligned. So I'm going to fix that. Okay, before I take it apart, I thought I'd check some more, see what else is wrong with it. And actually this looks pretty good, the flatness of the rotor here as it spins. Like this looks really good actually, so at least I did something right. So anyways, I'm gonna fix that alignment and get back to you. Okay, what I'm gonna need to do is cut this keyway slot a little wider on this side so that I can move this rotor a little bit that way, just like about 1/8 of an inch, not less. And so I'll have to do some crap in the gap construction and like shim this wider slot over. Shouldn't be too hard, it should be okay. Okay, I got that central rotor on, and it's aligned like this. There's that top dead center of the magnet, top dead center of the magnet, so the magnets are aligned. And also it's a pretty flat rotor too, so I'm not too worried about it, at least these two. So I got to do one more rotor on here. Also, I'm going to be adjusting the width here very precise when those stator coils go in between here. They're about 3 inches long, so I'm going to make it about a little less than a 3 1/4 inch width to the between here, so that there'll be about less than 1/8 of an inch air gap here and here between the cores and the magnets. And that's coming up later. So, okay, I want to know the exact length of these coils in the stator plate so I can set the distance between those two rotors. So I set it on top of a piece of 3/4 inch starboard plastic, and I checked it, it's pretty flat. So it's sitting on top of that, so that kind of represents what the rotor is going to be like. I'm going to put another piece on top. Now that's sitting on the edges of all those coils, and I've already got those, the height of those pretty good. They're all consistent height from the stator plates. So now when I measure this from here to here, that should be what the width of those stator plates is, so I will know what to set the distance between the rotors at. Okay, that comes to be 79 millimeters. That distance. So see, I'll add 3 or 4 millimeters. I'll give a air gap of 1.5 to 2 millimeters between the rotor magnets and the cores.